أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters here. How are you all? Kindly make use of the chat box. Hope you all are doing well and good. Hope you all are in best state of health and iman. Bismillah ta'ala, inshallah ta'ala. So alhamdulillah, we are into the day 15th of our course, dear sisters and brothers. Alhamdulillah, 15 days have passed by so fast, right? So we are heading on to the takmeel of this course, inshallah. Tomorrow will be our takmeel day, inshallah. So are you all excited for the last day? Inshallah, alhamdulillah, we all have studied so much in past 16 days, right? We have almost learned the entirety of the video editing with the smartphone that you can generate, right? So alhamdulillah. Let's start the session, today's session, with the name of Allah, and let's rectify our intentions before we begin. Make an intention that you are doing this, you are learning the skill for the sake of Allah, fi sabilillah, inshallah, so that you will serve the deen of Allah through this, and also you will make this as a sadaqah jariyah for you. Okay, make this skill of yours as a deed that will stand for you on the day of judgment and not against you on the day of judgment. Okay, be conscious about that, be mindful of this duty, yes, sisters and brothers here. Okay, so let's continue this journey of being more productive with the smartphone, inshallah. So where were we, dear sisters and brothers? We were in the special training sessions, right? So in our training sessions, we just started off with the Quranic recitations, and then we just completed how to source the projects, how to source the recitations, the Arabic fonts, the translations, and more. Then we just headed on to the intro and outro for your social handles, for the social media logos that you can generate, the social media icon videos you can generate. We also discussed how to use the templates that were already available on the KineMaster. Then we just discussed how to edit the short Islamic reminders. Alhamdulillah, all of your homeworks were excellent. Barakallahu fiki, my dear sisters and brothers here. And alhamdulillah, we also learned how to animate the hand tool in your projects, and how to animate a hand on the whiteboard. So how to animate it, we already learned it. And in yesterday's class we were learning how to create the breaking news content, right? So, and also we learned how to rotate and scroll the photos, videos, or text with the animation key. So in yesterday's class, I just gave you a homework to share the breaking news videos that you all have edited with the green screen, as well as with the stickers that were already available in the social on the KineMaster templates. Alhamdulillah, you all have submitted it excellently. Barakallahu fiki, dear sisters and brothers here. Alhamdulillah. So now in today's class, we are going to learn something new, inshallah, and this will be very beneficial for you all, dear sisters and brothers. Take it from me, inshallah. This will be very beneficial if you're going to build a career on it, inshallah. So come on, we are stepping into the 15th day of our session, last but the second day, and inshallah we are going to learn a very important topic, that is business promotion videos, in today's class. Okay, so I want you all to be ready with the two devices, one device to listen to the class, second to live practice, and inshallah I'll provide you with the resources. You just have to download it, and inshallah we are going to generate the beautiful videos in today's session. Inshallah, we are going to edit beautiful videos in today's class, inshallah. So I want you all to practice with me. Practice this skills. This skill needs practice. With practice only you can achieve perfection, dear sisters and brothers here. Okay, alhamdulillah. So heading on to our session today, it is nothing but to create how are you going to create the business promo videos. Why is business promo videos required, dear sisters and brothers? Kindly let me know.
Recording in progress.
Okay, can you please let me know why is the business promo videos required? To promote your business, right? Yes, to advertise your business. You have to learn the skill to advertise your business. Why is the advertisement required? Because you have to generate the customers for your business, right? To generate the customer for your business, you advertise your business everywhere, right? For the promotion, to reach more clients. Yes, to reach more clients and more, right? So we advertise our businesses, our flyers, wherever we find interesting kind of a platform in which we find it as eligible to go with, right? We've advertised our flyers or something, our business, on the social media handles, and also on the social circles, on the WhatsApp stories, or something like that. So advertisement is necessary to reach a audience, and to reach your clients, and to get more clients, and to get more customers, or something like that. So inshallah, we are going to learn the skill how we are going to generate the business promo videos in today's session. So heading on to the session, inshallah, we'll try to cover up the entirety of the business promo videos, and inshallah, we'll also try to see if we can cover up by taking the wedding invitation videos, how we can make the wedding invitation videos. Okay, and inshallah, we'll see if this is possible as well in today's session. Fine. So come on, without wasting our time, let's just head on to the session. And come on, I want you all to open the KineMaster. Keep your KineMaster ready. Did you all open the KineMaster application? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'll just start sharing my screen so that we will just start off with the editing. So I will just share some of the green screen background videos so that you all can make use of that. That will be useful, inshallah, if you want it on the green screen. But today, inshallah, I'm going to teach you a skill how to just generate the template from the KineMaster, inshallah. You are going to use everything from the KineMaster and create a beautiful content, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers. Fine. So I'm just going to forward you all some of the wedding invitation templates as well as the business promo templates. Please download it all. Come on, download it all. Okay, alhamdulillah. Hope you all have downloaded it. Type yes if you all have done with it. Okay. Someone has asked, ma'am, how to make YouTube shorts by doing a voiceover like the vlogs. It's the same thing. The 9:16 aspect ratio just can make use of, or 4:5 aspect ratio we can just make use of, and create a beautiful log with your own templates over there. And there are so many options that you have, dear sisters and brothers. Try it out with it, inshallah. You can just make use of 3:4 aspect ratio as well. And it is the same as the thing that was mentioned there, right? It was mentioned in the short Islamic reminders. How did we do it? You can just make it in that way as well. Okay, you just have to insert your own videos there, and you have to give it a beautiful captioning. That's all. Okay, hope you all have downloaded the content that I have just forwarded in the WhatsApp groups. Type yes if you all have done. Okay, you are just going to write it as business promo. Fine. Done. Let's just start off with the creation of the project. Okay. Before going to the project, I want you all to go to the asset marketplace and download some stuffs that are required for the business promotional videos. These are not only for the business promo videos, but also for various kind of what we say generation of the various projects, like the presentation for your school, the presentation for your college steps or something like that. You can just make use of all of these steps. For example, I'll just show you some of the assets that are here. Kindly just go to the images that are here. You can just go to the images and download beautiful wallpapers that you can put behind. For example, the school diary, the news. You can make use of all of this stuff, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to download the beautiful things here. Come on, download the image asset. I'll show you where this image asset will get back. Okay, for the business promo videos and all, you can just make use of the simple wallpapers. Okay, single wallpapers, and you can animate this wallpaper. You can just make it moving with the different things by applying different effects, right? So come on, download all of this, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to download this stuff. Come on, please download everything that you find great to go with. Okay, probably for the business promo videos, come on, just go to the okay, you just download this app as well. Go to the educational thing and go to the corporate thing. Okay, just download the corporate images that are given here. Fine, few of the corporate images, please download it. These are just taking the few seconds, or they just take you the few seconds to download. Please download it up. Download some beautiful content that you find great to go with. This is for the beauty kind of promotion videos. Okay, for example, if you have to make it for the salons or something like that, you can just make use of this stuff that is here. If you are making for the technology stuff, there are some technology kind of videos, technology kind of image asset. Okay, make use of all of that, inshallah, to create a beautiful content. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, download this app and see what you can just put it up in. Come on, download this app. See here, it shows how you can just put it up in the form of a video. And this way you can just make best coffee and breakfast in the town to promote someone in this manner. You can make use of this one. Okay, so all of these assets that you want, you can just download it. For example, there are also assets for the clothing businesses and more. Okay, come on, just download whatever feels great to go with the aesthetic looks and more. See here, the aesthetic backgrounds, you can just download this up also. Okay, download all of it and I'll show you where it appears after downloading. These are the images that are available. Hope you all are downloading it. Come on, type yes if you are doing it. So we have so much of the assets in the KineMaster. You can download whichever you find it great to go with. Okay, if you do not have space, you just can download the fewer version of whatever you find it great to go with. Fine. Okay, so this is the image asset that I had to show. Then you have some of the videos. For example, the videos, just look at the videos. These are the green screen kind of videos. Okay, it will be applied on the top of it. It will be applied over it. So just see some of the 3D videos, dear sisters and brothers. See how beautiful these videos are with a neon background. There are also the green screen content, the green screen intros. There are also the various kind of videos that you can just put it up in your format. For example, this text space, you can just insert this in your business promo videos if it is something like technology stuff that you are promoting, and you can just download this on stage as well. Come on, just look into the videos format, whatever there is. See here, they also provide the green screen content here with you. So scafy doors, even this can be useful if you're just giving a flyer and giving the business promo. Okay, so come on, download the steps, inshallah, so that it will be helpful for you to go with. Okay, even this intro templates, this small kind of templates, they go great with the business promos. Fine. I want you all to download the stuff, whichever you find it great to go with. Fine. Some green screens are available, dear sisters and brothers. You do not have to look for the YouTube and more for the green screens. You will have it here itself. Okay, some of the green screen stuffs. Okay, for the wedding invitation videos, you can just make use of this one, these things, the Valentine's heart or something like that. You just can make use of the stuffs that are here. And also the frames that are here. Okay, come on, give it all a try. And also the hand highlight markers, or probably if you do not want to download the PNG, it is here. You can just download it from here. The tap screen, the thumbs up button. Why is it all used? You can just show it as click on this button, click on that button. If you are just showing up, you go to this one and click on this button, and that way you can just make a screen recording and make use of this. Okay, okay, put in your creativity into your videos, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, be more creative with your content, inshallah. So we have a VFX things. Okay, this is very helpful for brothers here who will be designing such content that is eye-catching content, like kind of thing. You just can make use of all of these stuffs that are here. Okay, you just can make use of these stuffs. These are very great to go with. There's a VFX that is also provided here, fine, in the KineMaster, and you also can make use of these things. Probably in 1 or 2 videos I had made use of this one, the stormy thing. Fine. Okay, alhamdulillah. So I want you all to head on to the clip graphics, dear sisters and brothers. Download some of the clip graphics that are for the promotional purposes. There are some promotional purposes, the clip graphics. See here, there are clip graphics for the cooking. You just can download the clip graphics for the cooking. And if there is something like a business promotion for cooking, you can just make use of this promotional video. And also the event promos. There's event promo videos. Download it and keep. Come on, download it up. whichever you find great to go with, download it, inshallah. And also the sale videos, okay, this will be helpful for you now, inshallah. If you have, dear sisters and brothers, if you have something like abaya store or something like the dress outlets or something like that, this will be very helpful for you. Just download it up, okay, on sale. And also for the yesterday's thing, I just didn't show you this one, the news titles, okay, you can make use of this one for making the breaking news content and more, fine. And also this one, the screens are, this one is mostly used in the major YouTube channels. I just saw this on many of the YouTube channels. You can just look at this, how beautiful this is, okay. This one, the promo that is here, it was used in major YouTube channels, okay. You can just download this up and keep. Why do they do this? Why do they use this? This is used for the award screen or something like that. Okay, you can just make use of this stuff as well. Come on, download it, inshallah. It will be great to go with, okay. And there are some of the simple wallpapers that you can download, some of the stylish wallpapers or something like that. So now that we are creating the business promo, inshallah, we are going to create with the stuffs that are here in the KineMaster, inshallah. So, you know, whatever you create, inshallah, you will be creating the beautiful content with the stickers and stuff that you have here, okay. And also the stickers, dear sisters and brothers, if you're bored to create your own text, what you do is you just borrow the text from the already assigned text here, okay. Download the text that are already here so that you will find it great to go with, okay. Come on, download it from the store, asset store, any of the text that you like, just download it up and keep, so that you can just make use of all of the texts that you want into your own videos, fine. So some of the light line text look great with the intros and outros, fine. The text goes here, okay. This one is also going fine. And also this one, okay, this looks great, dear sisters and brothers. Download this up. Okay. Hopefully you all have downloaded it. If not, just give it all a try. The transitions also looks great. Inshallah, now we are going to create some business promo videos, okay. You can just make use of any of the images that you have just stored now. What I'll do is I'll go to the media, whatever images I have downloaded, it will remain in the image assets, okay. Image assets, click on the image assets, you will have plenty of images that you have just downloaded. See here, these were the images that I had just downloaded. I can make use of all of the stuffs, okay. For example, for now, let me just start off with a beautiful image. See here, you can just create so beautiful business promos with this, okay. Give it all a try, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, come on, you can just make use of whatever you want. For me, for now, let me just make use of a simple background. So where is it? What can I start off with? Okay, so probably this template is fine to go with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 images, okay. Let it be 8 images, and let me apply the transitions in between, any of the transitions in between. So let me apply some transitions like Galaxy Frost in between. Any transitions, apply any transitions in between. You can apply same transitions throughout, or you can apply different transitions throughout. It's totally up to you, fine. Just draw the transition, and then you can just apply any, or you can just put it as applied to all, okay. Or everyone will have the same transition. I guess I did something wrong, okay. You can just click on apply to all. You can just make use of whatever you want, or multi-view. Come on. Glitch flash. The vintage film reel. Okay, the particles wall. Fine. I've applied it in my own way. You just can apply it in whatever way you want. So this is just the photos that are available there. You can make use of the transitions. For this time being, let me just start off with the project. How to start off? You'll just see we are just creating everything with the everything available on the KineMaster. Okay, come on. For now, let me just take a sticker and write something. Okay, what I want to create is I want to create a business promo for the course that we're doing right now. Okay, how to create a business promo? Let me just use a sticker for this one. Okay, so this is a sticker that I have taken. It has some content in it. To just change the sticker text, let me just change it as, okay, what content should I put? Are you looking to edit beautiful videos? edit beautiful videos or something like that, whatever you want. I want you all to just go with your own promotion, business promotions. Okay, come on, if you are going to give a business promotion for some sites or something like that, some abaya stores or something like that, you can just write, are you looking for the hijabs or something stuffs. Just stop it here. We have a one-stop shop for all your hijab collection, something like that. You can give such wordings. Okay, for now I would give okay, would you like to edit videos beautifully, or would you like to gain a mastery in video editing? Gain a mastery in video editing. Editing? Question mark. So this is here. You have to change the font, whatever is there, to whatever you want. So let it be this one or handwriting itself. Okay. So this is here. You can just make use of the stickers and create a text there, right? So this is the text that is given here. Let me play this up and see how it looks. Would you like to gain mastery in video editing? So this looks fine for me now. So what I do is I'll just copy this up, select all, cut it out. The sticker is not looking good for me. You can just change the stickers with whatever you want. Fine, you can just replace the stickers, or let me see if you have more stickers. If you do not want the stickers, you can just go directly to the clip graphics. Okay, clip graphics, just go to the clip graphics and see what beautiful content you have. You can just create an event promo for this itself. Okay, they will give you the titles by themselves. You can just add the titles here, for example. Okay, good to go with. There's a text here. You can just select a black text. Okay, would you like to gain a mastery in video editing? Okay, if this doesn't looks good for me, okay, this also doesn't looks good because it's not a big in a bit highlighted manner. So let me just write it in this way. It's all up to you how you want your text to look like. Okay, so and also you have to give it a bold font, just in that is fine. Okay, see how beautifully we have converted a photo into a video, right? We just used the clip graphics and converted it, right? So you just can make use of whatever clip graphics you want. If you do not want this one, you can just put in your own content there. Fine. Would you like to gain a mastery? Gain a mastery in video editing. Let it be on the next line. Hope you all are doing it along with me. I want you to do create a beautiful business promo videos. Inshallah. So probably this would be fine to go with now. You can choose your own. Inshallah. Okay, this would look good. Or if it doesn't look good, you can just change this one. Okay, cover star kind of. No, this doesn't suits it. There are some news titles also. Do you remember we just discussed yesterday about the everything about the breaking news content, right? Okay. Try all of it out, dear sisters and brothers. Come on, inshallah. Create a beautiful content of your own. We just want a text output, right? Would you like to get a master in video editing? This would be fine. Okay, this would be perfect. Okay. Okay, so let me just do this one. Let me just swap this one. Okay, mastery and video editing is not here. Would you like to? Okay, you have to see all of these things before you create a content, right? Because this is very important. Okay, would you like to gain a mastery in video editing? So this is the first thing. You can just make use of this stuff. Okay, this is going till here. And now there's another thing here. You can just type in anything that you want. Okay, come on. What will you type? Let me just put up something like we present to you a course, a video editing course. a mastery in video editing course using your smartphone, something like that. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, are you all doing it along? Please type. I want to get your text now. Okay, so I'll write EDU-SITE presents video editing mastery course. So this is here. You can change the text, you can change whatever you want to do with. So probably this is looking so small to go with. So what we do is we need to add another thing. So no problem. Let me just leave this as a blank space. So I'll just make use of another text here. So we are just learning how to create the steps by our own, okay, without making use of the template, the green screen, okay. I'll just show you with the green screen as well, inshallah. That will look beautiful, dear sisters and brothers. Now, if I want to import any stickers, I'll just import a sticker. And line writer, the light line. Okay, the light line. Let me just show you with the light line how it looks. It looks great with this content, dear sisters and brothers. Go for it, Bismillah. Okay, when you play this up, mastery course. The next line, let it be blank. So let me just leave some space and just give it a blank space. And this should be a black kind of text. And here, let it be increased font size. Okay. We replace this up with something like bluish color or yellowish color. Okay, this would look great with it. EDU-SITE presents, and it is showing in a bit later fashion. So let me just put it like chota wala. Let me just decrease the duration of it and I'll put it here. So it's totally dependent upon your way of doing things. Okay, so I'll show you how beautifully you can create a content in this way. So this is how it looks. Fine. You can just add on any more text like that, and you just have to give more details. For example, let me just give some more details. Like for this clip, I'll just add some clip graphics and I'll give more details like this one. I'll show you some of the content that you can keep here. Okay, the smartphone editing course, you can just write it as some days course, 16 days course, 15 days course, or whatever it is. And then, for example, I'll just show this one. Probably it's not possible here. Just a moment, I'll see if I have the text so that my works get easier. Okay, here it is. I hope you all are finding it good to go with. Make use of the text that you want and just create a beautiful content that you want to create, inshallah. So take in the text that you want. Fine. So this is a totally bigger text that we have here. Just create with the text that you have. I wanted to show you how you have how some of the business promos are created. Okay, I'll just show you some of the business promo videos so that you will get an idea. Fine. Come on, I'll show you some of the videos before I go with. Fine. Before we complete this, I want to show you some of the videos that I have created for various channels. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to watch those, inshallah, so that you all will just get inspired with that. Fine. So, dear sisters and brothers, this promo videos that we have, you know, they actually charge you just 1K to create one promo videos. Fine. So I want you all to just make use of the stuffs, whatever is in here, and create a beautiful promos, inshallah. Can you all just create this? It's nothing but it's just a simple collection of the wallpapers as well as the text. That's all. Simple collections of the beautiful moving wallpapers and the screenshot here. There's nothing but screenshot placed here. The worldwide shipping available and more, something like this. And then we have just applied this one. Okay. Okay, you can just create it with your own KineMaster. Fine. Come on, try it out, try all of it out, inshallah. Let me see how you all will create a content like that. So you can also create some stuffs like, okay, this is also great. I'll just show you some of it, inshallah. With the 1:1, probably it looks great to go with. Just a moment, inshallah. This one is fine. Okay. So, okay, this was created by my students. How did they create this? I just shared with you the green screen content. Dear sisters and brothers, do you all have it in your book, in your WhatsApp group now? You all have downloaded it probably, right? You just have to remove the green screen and put in the content of the flyer, okay? Because if you do not like to write it all in the text format, you just can animate your flyer inside the green screen thing and create a beautiful business promo video, okay? I'll just show you that technique as well. I'm just showing you how you can create with the stuffs that are already on the KineMaster, okay? So this is the way you have to create it. Fine. If you're looking for a video editing course, so this is how you can just earn the master in it. Make use of the beautiful, what I say, the colors. Fine, the color is not matching to the content that is here. Make use of the beautiful colors here and create a beautiful content, inshallah. So come on, are you all doing it along? It will be somewhat famished. Fine. No, this doesn't look good. Grayish is fine, probably. Yes, this is fine. Grayish content is fine. So would you like to get a mastery in video editing? So this goes with the EDU-SITE presents the video editing mastery course, and then you just can supply it up with the information. And this you can this photo, I mean this cell phone thing, you can put it in contact here for the more information, okay? And then you can just place something like the duration of the course, the number of days, the timing, and which platform. And then in the next button you can just place like where you have to register here or something like that. Let me see if I have more of the content like that. There will be I'm just showing you how you can do it with the things that are already available. Fine. So you can just, okay, even this one will be helpful, dear sisters and brothers. You can just add the details here inside this. Enter the text here. In this text you can just add a separate program. It's a certificate provided and something like the text, like whatever is inserted. For example, the timings you can insert there. You can just put whatever it is by just going to the properties of that clip graphics, right? Okay, you can just insert your own text using the clip graphics, and there's more to it. Inshallah, in the clip graphics you will have so much of the content, okay, so that you can insert on the whatever the this one you are creating. Fine. Come on, there is something called as the text output, the video flyers. You can make use of this news title. Yesterday in yesterday's class you would have learned all of it, alhamdulillah. So this is the things that you can make use of the clip graphics, okay? And also there are something in the stickers, okay? I want you all to make use of the stickers, okay? In the stickers you will be having so many business icons. If you want, you can just put up all of the business icons. You can download it up and keep and put up whatever the business icons you want to insert there. Fine. There are some newer things like kind of this one, okay? The stickers and of like this. Okay, probably this goes good. You can just insert whatever text is there inside the stickers that you want, or you can make use of this one. You can make use of whatever the stuff you want and create a beautiful promo by yourself, okay? This promo that I've taught you, it is based on the templates, by using the templates and the stickers from the KineMaster and create a beautiful stuff. Fine. So okay, and one more thing, in the stickers you will have something like the pop-ups. In the pop-ups you will have the something called as, what we say, you can subscribe here, you can just visit here or register here for the more details or something like that. Fine. Come on, make use of the stuffs and create something, a small kind of a business promo that you all find good to go with, okay? So I'll give you some ideas how you can create the business promos. If you have any business business handles or something like that, you can just create your own. Fine. So this is your own way of creating the business promos, and I'll teach you how you can do it with the green screen. Fine. So come on, import a new project. click on the back button and you can just send me the business promo. At least 2 to 3 images, insert the 2 to 3 images and create a small promo and keep and just send it after the class. Now I want you all to just create a promo with a green screen video. Fine. So let me just show you with the 16:9. Now, just now I have shared with you some of the videos. Have you all received it? Type yes. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So you all have this one, the green screen things that you have received. Yes. Now what you all have to do is you have to import it as a layer, right? Import it as a layer. From this green screen, you can create a beautiful, beautiful content. For example, this is the green screen that we have that I have imported. It is probably from the 5/5 second that I have to start with. So what you have to do, you have to import it as a layer, right? Import it as a layer and remove the green screen out of it. And everywhere where there is the highlighting of the green screen, play your own flyer there. Play your flyer there. Fine. So for example, for this one, there is a blank space given. For the first thing, we can just put a detail about the course or something like that. So you can just make use of a text here. Import whichever green screen you find it great to go with. Okay, if you want, I'll share a flyer. Inshallah, you can just make use of that flyer and create a content. Okay. So chalo, I'll write this one. First, I'll write what to write in this one. Opening lines, let it be beautiful thing. Pop-ups, text objects. Okay. So let it be the properties, video, editing, mastery course. Okay, you can change the text for this, please. Change it to the beautiful font, whatever you want to give it to, and put it up inside the steps that you have created. For example, if it is this one, okay, let me just put it here in the middle. So when I play this up, it will be like this: video editing, mastery course. Okay. Probably both sticks are not matching each other. And then after this, you have to import something like, you have to start with something like a green screen, and then you have to play your flyer inside the green screen, dear sisters and brothers. That's all. You do not have much of the work after this. You just have to play the flyer perfectly by animating it. It is very important duty now, inshallah. I'll show you how you're going to do it. Fine. First, you have to import this as a layer and not as a base, right? Hope you all know that. How to import it as a layer, I'll just duplicate it as a layer. And for the base, I'll just delete this and give a new base. Delete this. Base should be, what do we all video editors consider as a base, given as a black base, okay? Just can make use of the black base. Come on, the black base I've placed. And I'll just go with the layer stuff. In the layer stuff, what you have to do is you have to just key out the green screen. That's all. Come on, make use of the beautiful green screen that I have sent. Inshallah, this would be not that good to go with. You can just make use of another stuff that is there. Fine. I'll show you the end products also. I have created most of the business promos with just the green screen. Fine. And first you have to create the content in the video, and then you have to put it up inside the business promos. Fine. So let me just put it on the bring to front. Let me just bring this flyer to front. This text to the front. So come on, this is the way you do it. So this is not looking great with the text there. So let me change the text here. Mastery course will not be here. Let it be with that itself. Cut out, space. Okay. These are the training sessions, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to do it along with me. Create a beautiful content. You have at least one hour to do the content. You create the content now. Create a beautiful content now, inshallah, and send it to me and let me see how beautifully you have edited it out. Okay, how to animate the sticker perfectly inside the video that is appearing. Come on. So I'll just show you how we are animating it. I'm playing it up. We'll play in this way. Okay, this is the way it showed up into the screen. Again, it has blinked up. So let me at this position, let me just put a plus mark there, and let me just decrease its size. Okay, hope you all are doing it. You have to adjust it perfectly inside the flyer. Fine. And then here it vanishes off, so let me just make it vanish off. So this is enough. So the next thing, dear sisters and brothers, is the green screen that comes into picture. I want you all to go to the chroma key and remove out the green screen. Fine. How to key out the green screen? Just click on enable and key out the green screen. Fine. There is a yellow color that is given here. Please switch it out to the green color. Unless you do not switch it out to the green color, your green screen won't disappear. Fine. So just toggle this up in such a way that your green screen is keyed out. Okay, done. Now what you all have to do is you have to play your flyer inside. How to play your flyer inside is nothing but I'll just share the flyer with you, inshallah. If you want to do it with my own flyer, you can do it, or you can just go to the Google and search for any flyers and play out the flyers inside this. Fine. That looks great to go with. Fine. So this is the flyer that I have. Let me just insert it as a layer. Insert it as a layer. I'll just put this up inside. So where is the flyer thing here? You just have to, this is probably in the WhatsApp images. Yes. Okay, you just have to take the flyer in. Okay, one flyer you are going to animate it throughout. Fine. So what you are going to do is you have to just put it till which second you want it. Fine. Till what second you want it. Come on. So if is here, starting from this position till this position, and I want it till how much? Till this disappears, right? Till this disappears, matlab it should be till here. Okay. So let me just trim. Right. Now what you have to do, you have to put this flyer back behind, right? So what you do is send to backward. Send backward. Fine. So now good to go with. So this is here. Increase its size, or you can just crop the small parts and keep crop it into the smaller parts. Dear sisters and brothers, crop it into the smaller parts. Now I want to show the first part only. So how you just can show the first part only. EDU-SITE presents a video editing course using the smartphone. You can just put in the first part inside. Okay, you can animate it in such a way that it looks great to go with. Come on. Oh, this is the first part that it has. It appears as such. Now what you can do is you can just apply the plus button here. Now you can just increase its size in this way and put it in between here. And then you can just move a bit ahead and put a plus button there and decrease its size there. And you can just give it a motion like this, rotating motion like this. And then again, you can just move a bit ahead, click on the plus of the playhead and give it a rotation again. And now I'll play it and show you how beautiful it looks. Okay, you can just animate it along with the thing that you have there. Fine. Again, it is inserted there. You can just make use of whatever stuff you want, and you can just decrease. You can just click on the plus button again and decrease its size. Okay, and also you can make it like a flyer that is moving up and down or something like that. It's totally your creativity that's put into picture here, dear sisters and brothers. Make it move in a way that you want to move it. Fine. So again, the plus button. So let me just do it in a way that it seems like you are playing this flyer. Okay. So for example, now I want the stuff that is below. So what I'll do is I'll just put it here. So, and I'll just decrease its size. So I want to show this one, this much part. So this much is fine to go with. Fine. The next one, okay, just moving out. Okay, just fine to go with it till here. You can just move it in this way and then crop it up and increase its dimensions more of. And this is how you can just increase its width and more. Fine. So now when you play this off and see, it looks beautiful, dear sisters and brothers. Fine. I want you all to play the flyer along with the green screen that you have there. Fine. But it looks great when the content is moving, when the behind video is also moving, the background video is also moving. So I want to start off with a background video. For example, if this is not the video that I want, I'll delete it up and show you with a beautiful background video. Fine. Just a moment, inshallah. So go to the layers. Probably I have shared with you another video. You can just make use of that video. Bismillah. Okay. So we have something like this one as the background video. Do you have a technology frame, dear sisters and brothers? Just now I have shared it with you all. Probably you all have it in your WhatsApp videos. You can just insert that technology frame as well because that looks great to go with. Okay, there are some of the intros, outros, the green screen backgrounds. Okay, just a moment. Inshallah. So this looks beautiful to go with, okay? I just wanted to show you with this one because I wanted to show something with the moving background because I want you to move the flyer along with the background that is here, okay? So this technology frame looks great, inshallah, with this flyer. So how would you make it move, dear sisters and brothers? With the animation tool, fine. Come on, make use of whatever you are with, okay? Do not change the video that you're in. Come on, make use of whatever you're in. For example, this is a video that I have. What I have to do at first is I have to remove the green screen. Remove the green screen using the chroma key, enable the chroma key, and enable it to the greenish color, where the greenish color is gone already. And if you want, you can just make use of this one as well, and you can just start off with the flyer only. Okay, and then this chroma key is not keyed out properly. Just properly key it out so that you won't miss some of the important aspects, right? Because you want to make it more opaque and not transparent, right? So this is how it is. And then let me just delete this off and just start it off with the flyer only, with the flyer only. So chalo, we just can insert the flyer, whatever the flyers we have, it's probably here. You can make use of the flyers, whichever flyer you want, and you can just create a beautiful content. Fine. For example, this is a video that we have, and we want this one here. So this is moving. Please take a note that it is moving, right? This thing is moving with the background is moving, and also the flyer should be moving. So to make both of it go together hand in hand, you have to be very well versed with the animation tool, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, come on, this is here. When this opens up, you have to have a thing like each and every animation you have to look into, fine? So I'll just increase this timeline frame, and here you have something opening up, okay? Okay, we are here. Now this technology frame opens up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show the first part, video editing course, mastery course, okay? And this is in the bend manner. I mean, it is a bit rotated fashion. You just can rotate it and keep, fine? And then I want it to be a bit smaller version, and also I want to crop it and make it such that I just want the upper part. Okay, and this one a bit bent fashion, fine. Okay, this is fine to go with. Next we'll just plate. Come on, this is fine. Okay, you can just move it in your own way. At this position you can just give it a bit rotation like this, okay? And just move it and see where you want a bit more rotation. At this position, you can just increase its size. Increase its size. And just move it and see where you want to move it. And now at this position, you can move it a bit this side. Okay, this is all up to you, dear sisters and brothers, how you want to animate your stuff that you're creating, fine? At this position, again, plus it up and just animate it in this way. Okay. So this is how you can create your own content in this way. Fine. Now what happens is, just see here, now it is moving in an enlarged manner, fine? How to enlarge this? Again, animate it in such a way that you have to have it properly aligned inside the screen that is there, fine? Again, click on the plus button, rotate it up and increase its size so that it fits inside the screen, fine? Okay, this is how you actually go with the flyer creation from the green screen, fine? The business promo from the green screen. Then you have to move it, and only till here we have done it, right? Only till here we have animated it, and further if you want, you can just animate it and create a beautiful content. And also you can just give the space here, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, till here it is here, right? I want it to move downwards. For example, I'll just keep it till here, and after this I want it in such a manner that it should show every content that is below it. So how to do that? You have to click on again the plus, and it should be like you have to create it in such a way that you should get all of the content that is below. So you have to crop the content that is below, or what you can do is you can just reverse it up, and what you can do is you just can move this up till here, and the cropping option, please open it up and open entire of it and move it upwards in this way. Okay, lay out the cropping option and move it upwards. Fine. You can show each and every aspects. Okay, I'll show you some of the videos that the previous this one have created. So in this way you can just make use of each and every content that is here. Fine. So I'll show you some of the videos that were created with this green screen. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, I'll just show you some of it, inshallah, so that you will get inspired through this, inshallah. I'll just show you how I have created with this one for a business. For a supermarket, they just wanted to do wanted a flyer, so I just created for them. So it was an order of a flyer that they wanted to promote on the platforms. So I just made use of this green screen and created a beautiful stuff that you all can watch, inshallah. I'll show you the ideas, inshallah. You can just make use of this effects and create your own business promos, or you can create it for the businesses who ask for you to do it, inshallah. So some of the business promos, probably it's not in here. Just a moment, inshallah, I'll share with you. Okay. It's not here. Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, I'll just say this one. Hopefully this would be giving you a way that you can create the business flyers with. Okay, see, can you all watch this up? Just watch this, dear sisters and brothers, so that you just get an idea how beautiful you can create the business promos. See here, you can just create with multiple layers. I hope you all are getting the idea how it is created, right? They just cropped it, the first part, they just cropped the next part. It is just beautiful to watch, right? So inshallah, hopefully you all will try to create such a business promo, and inshallah, hope that you all will create a beautiful stuff. Okay, so for now I'll be showing you the business promo I created with some of this one. See here, this one, the last part that I have taken, the last one. See here, I just created this one with the last green screen that I had taken. I put a video inside a video here. Okay, that was a video that was played behind. I actually did it in a video format. The layer was in video format, and this one also was a video format. And then I created this stuff. Doesn't this look a professional content? Yes, right, dear sisters and brothers. You all can create this stuff. You just have to have a bit of creativity. That's all. You just have to put in your creativity. You just have to put in whatever you feel great to go with. Okay, come on. This is how it works, right? Okay, alhamdulillah. So this was it. And what more, you can just create a beautiful flyers like this or business promos like this also. This was with played with a song. They wanted it for a song kind of thing. I just had to show it in this way. I'll just show you how this was edited. This is a beautiful edit. It's nothing but it was a kind of a shot that I had to create for them. Their logo was placed, the animation thing, what was animated, the things were animated, and this one was animated. Everything was just a photo that we had created with the green screen and put it up here. That's all. And then played it with the song. That's all. This looked great, and alhamdulillah, that gained most of the viewership. So you can just make use of the contents and create the beautiful business promo videos. So this is the session that I had to deal with. I just wanted to show you all how to use the business promos, how to make the business promos with the content that is already available in KineMaster. The first thing, and second thing, how to edit the videos with the green screen, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, you get green screen. And then the third thing is you just have to get an idea from someone. If someone has a beautiful business promo, you want to create the same thing, you just can create without any hesitation, dear sisters and brothers, because all of the content that is in here, you can create those stuffs, fine, because nothing is difficult when you learn the video editing. At least if you learn at this pace, if you are in this level, like for example, if you have learned the animation so well, the green screen so well, then you have learned it all, fine. You can just make use of the stuff that are already available and create a beautiful content, and also put in your creativity inside it, and also practice more to get used to the content that you are creating, fine. So you have to practice more to create a beautiful content. Please remember that without practice you won't be able to create reach a professionalism. Okay, without practice you just you can just know how you are creating things, but you cannot create it professionally, fine. You have to have a professional content, dear sisters and brothers. I'll just import some of the stuff so that I can show you some of the business promo videos, so that you will get an idea to create the business promos, fine, inshallah. Okay, this was also okay. This is the main thing of this that I wanted to show you all. Just a moment. This video, dear sisters and brothers. Please watch this. It was with this last flyer that I showed you. It's the same with the last flyer, just animated it with it. It was already graphically designed video, and you just have to remove the green screen and put in here. Okay, where do you find this green screen content, dear sisters and brothers? I already told you a channel name. It is nothing but I for edits. Okay, it's a beautiful channel. You just can go surf the green screen content on I for edits. Okay, please take a note about it. I for edits. It's a YouTube channel wherein you will have all of the green screen content, especially for the Islamic content. They have a superb collection for the Islamic content. Okay, they have actually graphically designed all of the content there, and you can just make use of it. You can just download it all, fine. So now when you play this up and see, for example, some of the business promo videos that I have created, you can just see this one. Okay, for this one, what I did was I made use of something. Okay, I'll tell you what I made use of. There is a text animation application. Okay, but KineMaster is a base. I already told you KineMaster is a base. There is a text animation application. I made use of that to just animate the text animation on the Google Play Store or App Store. Also, there is an application named as Legend Text Animation. Fine, Legend Text Animation. So you just can make use of that app and create with the green screen. Okay, I just created the text with the green screen and put it up with the wallpapers. That's all. So it requires just a small amount of more work. That's all. Okay, it just requires some more work than the this one. But KineMaster is a base. You have to collect everything and keep on the KineMaster and then do it all. Okay, I just imported the text format. This one, the text from the Legend intro and text animation application on the Google Play Store. You can just surf it now. You'll find it there, fine. And this is the wedding invitation video. Inshallah, I'll show it in tomorrow's class. And this one, dear sisters and brothers, this was purely created on the KineMaster, but the texts were animated from the text animation app, the text things. This one, our website that was imported from the text animation app. But everything else was from the KineMaster. Fine, you can just make use of the KineMaster and then create. See here how you have to create it in this way. Join us in the WhatsApp for discounts and your arrivals. Okay. And also these stuffs, the likers, this one and more, all of this were created with those things, fine. And this one also. So hopefully you all have understood how to create the business promos. If you want to have any ideas, I'll share it with you. If you do not want to create, if you want to create it for your own businesses, I can help you out with that, inshallah. And also, dear sisters and brothers, create a beautiful business promo with the flyer that I had given. Or if you do not want to do it with that flyer, you can just Google any of the flyers and put in there and just create a beautiful business promo video. Okay, so this is the homework for today. I want you all to create a beautiful business promo with the one thing that I thought was with the stickers and the clip graphics in the KineMaster. You can make use of that and create. And second thing is you can make use of the green screen template that I've given and then create. And the third thing is that you can just make use of another application like the Legend app application, and then you just can you make use of the text animations, and then you just have to put the wallpapers and add it all in the KineMaster. So the first two options works great, and I want you all to try it out with the first two. And you can just send me one video, one business promo videos with the green screen content or with your own way. Okay, I prefer you all sending it with the stickers and the clip graphics, and also with the green screen. Okay, stickers and clip graphics are from the KineMaster itself. Yes, they are from the KineMaster itself. It was already told at the start. From the KineMaster itself, you will be able to extract the stickers, fine? So all of the stickers, you see here, I had shown you all how you can just extract the stickers. For example, you can make use of this, all of the neon borders and all of the stuffs like this. For example, the letters like this. And also, dear sisters and brothers, the clip graphics works great, okay? Please make use of the clip graphics, from where you can just get most of the content for the promo videos, fine? See here, in the clip graphics, you will have something called as the stylish presentations, the fashion magazines, for the magazines thing, the event promo things. You can just add your own titles there. You can make use of anything like this. See here, for this video itself, this is the way you can make it present or something like that. You just have to change the text there, that's all. And you can just insert your own text. You can just insert your own photos there. If you have something like the clothing stores or something like the beauty stores or something like that, you can just make use of this. And for this one, for the hotels and more, this on sale button, this works great. Okay, you can just make use of this stuff. For the if you have something like for the hotel staffs or something like that, you can just make use of this. How to remove text from the YouTube video which is already written for the breaking news. Dear sisters and brothers, if you have something like this one, okay, probably let me just remove this one. Okay, so probably this is the video that you have. Okay, this is the video that you have, and you do not want the content that is written here. What you have to do, you have to place something on the top of that. For example, I'll put something. You have to play the same video, fine? I'll put a sticker on top of that, fine? Usually the YouTubers, usually the news channels, what they do is they get the content from other channels, fine? What they do is they blur out the content that is written already on it. For example, I have just seen yesterday in the Al Jazeera channel, they just took it from somewhere else. Okay, the content, the video, they actually do not get all of the content, right? All of the videos, they do not what I say, they do not capture all of the videos that are available. What they do is they take it from someone, right? And they give the they mention who have they borrowed it from. So all of the footages and something like that, what they do is they just remove the content using the blurring option. You can just blur the option using the effects. Okay, you can just blur it using the effects. There's something called as the motion blur. You can make use of motion blur, or also you can make use of the basic effects, and that is called as a Gaussian blur. For example, to get our products, there is something called as a blur here. So if you do not want the line that is here, dear sister, the ending line, you just have to place this there. Okay, you just have to place this small what I say effect there on the to order our products. You just have to remove this one. You can put your own contact number here instead of theirs. Okay, this is how we can do it. You can make use of the cropping tool, and you can make you can just remove entire of this. Okay, so this is how you actually can remove the content. And if you do not want to remove it in that way, you can just make use of the lower thirds. How to make use of the lower thirds? Go to the stickers and make use of some of the lower thirds. There are easy going lower thirds. Come on, make use of some of the bubbles and just make use of your own, write your own things there. Put it here somewhere. So this is this one here. Put your own breaking news content there. Instead of that, you just have to put something upon it. That's all. If this is the video that you have, footage that you have taken, put something upon it. That's all. Okay, so this is the way you can remove it. The removing option won't be available in any as such, fine? If you want, you can just blur it out, that's all. Okay, so this was the class for today. Hopefully, you all found it beneficial. I want to just receive, inshallah, how we all have created a business promo videos. I just want to see it. Okay, I want to look into your progress and I want to see how what level have you reached in the video editing, inshallah. Kindly submit all of your homeworks after the class. Okay, if not after the class, you can just submit after the after before tomorrow's class. Okay, tomorrow will be the takmeel session, inshallah. I want you all to be present, inshallah. And tomorrow we'll just cover up a small topic of wedding invitation videos, and we'll just sign off in tomorrow's class. I'll be teaching you some of the tactics in which you can gain the customers or clients for the video editing, or how you can video edit using some of the you can video edit professionally, and also how we can just put up all of the content on the YouTube or something as such. Inshallah, I'll be teaching some of the skills in tomorrow's class so that you can start earning, inshallah. And also, I want you all to be present in tomorrow's class. Fine, inshallah. So tomorrow will be the last day of our course with the inshallah. So with the spirit to learn more, I want you all to join tomorrow's session, inshallah ta'ala. So if you have any doubts, you can just ping me and I'll help you throughout. And inshallah, this was a session for today. Jazakumullahu khairan kaseera, dear sisters and brothers here. So I want you all to just submit a beautiful business promo videos that you all have created. I want to just look into it, inshallah, so that I will see the progress that you are in currently. So subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters here.